Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Chatbase and Voiceflow. In order to do so, here we are at voiceflow.com and we're also at chatbase.co. According to Cider AI, Chatbase and Voiceflow are both powerful tools used for creating conversational AI applications, but they serve slightly different purposes and cater to different aspects of the development process. Chatbase's primary use is focused on chatbots and messaging application. It provides a platform for building, analyzing, and optimizing chatbots. The features include offers detailed insights into users' interactions, helping developers understand user behavior and improve chatbot performance. It enables easy management of intents and entities. It often integrates well with messaging platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Slack, and it provides a straightforward UI for building and maintaining chatbots. Voiceflow, on the other hand, is designed for creating voice applications and conversational experiences across various platforms, including Alexa and Google Assistant. It allows users to design voice interactions visually, making it accessible for non-technical users. It offers prototyping capabilities, allowing developers to test their voice skills and flows before deployment. Has a strong emphasis on collaboration tools, making it easier for teams to work together on voice projects. It supports integration with APIs and external services, facilitating more complex interactions. Key differences: Chatbase is more chatbot-centric, while Voiceflow centers on voice interactions. Voiceflow's visual design interface is more suited for designing complex voice flows, whereas Chatbot focuses on chatbot analytics and intent management. Chatbase appeals primarily to chatbot developers, while Voiceflow is geared towards those creating voice apps, including designers and product managers. In conclusion, the choice between Chatbase and Voiceflow largely depends on whether you're focusing on chatbots or voice applications. If you're developing a chatbot, Chatbase might be the better option due to its analytics and intent management features. However, if you're creating voice-first applications, Voiceflow provides the visual and collaborative tools needed for that space. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. You will find a link to our link tree. There you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI. Skillcraft60 will get you 60% off of your Sintra subscription, and you'll also find links there to Cider and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.